Ras malai. Looking for ras malai. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Today, inshallah, we are going to make ras malai. Our ras malai is the best in Birmingham, we think. So here we have all the ingredients that you need to make the ras malai. Cooking oil. We have the ras malai mix. We have 1 egg. We have sugar. We have desiccated coconut. We have chopped and peeled almonds, and we have the milk. The first process is you add 1 liter of milk into the pan. Okay, so that's half cup of sugar according to your taste. We add half 1 liter, and you put the pan on the gas. Let that boil. Okay, add a touch of cardamom. That's the ras malai mix. Okay, you add 4 teaspoons of cooking oil. Okay, so you get 1 egg, the whole egg, the white and the yolk, and whisk it. Okay, so start mixing the dough. And you'll add the egg little by little. Okay, we just added dried powder milk because it was too runny, and we have some egg left. It depends on the size of the egg as well, you see. So if you do find yourself having a very runny dough, you add a powdered milk till you get the right consistency. Okay, so you make your balls like so. We like it in this shape, which looks like a date. We don't like the flat ones, flat and round ones. That's how we make it. Shape of a date, and the size as well. So it's about the size of an average date. They come in many flavors. So this one we got is a saffron. They come in pistachio and other flavors. So this is a saffron one. Okay, so your milk is now boiled, as you can see. We turn the gas low. Okay, so you're now adding the almonds and the coconut. So here you have all the ras malai made. So when you put this into the pan, it will soak the milk and the size will get double or a bit more. So basically now it's the size of an average date, and it will change into a medjool date. Okay, so you now put it in the milk carefully so you don't damage the shape. As you can see, it has double in size. We still need to cook it so the milk gets thicker and properly cooked. Okay, so there you go. It's more than the double of its size, actually. Yeah, so it's about three to four times now. Okay, so now you take all the balls out first. They're gone very large. So I would say they're about four times the size of the original ones. The reason we're taking the balls out first is we want to boil the milk so the milk gets thicker. We don't want to cook it with this ras malai in, because the chances are it probably gets smashed, as they're quite soft. They're looking really good. Okay, you see, they come out really good, and as you can see, the color of the saffron have changed, the milk color and the ras malai. So we're now garnishing it while the milk is getting boiled to get thicker. If you compare this to the actual size, you'll see the difference. It's much bigger now. It needs to get thicker. Okay, the milk is now done. It's gone thicker. So you pour it in. Okay, so that's your rasmalai done. It came out really good, mashallah, tabarakallah. We're now going to let it cool down before we put it in the fridge. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.